So hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to make veg pizza. So the first ingredient which we need is yeast. So we need 2 teaspoons of yeast or 1 packet of yeast. So I'll be adding it into the bowl. Then I will be adding some sugar to it. So I'm taking 1 teaspoon of sugar and adding to it. So sugar gives a sweetness to the dough. Then I will be adding 1 cup of water to it. So I added the water, then I'll be mixing it with a spoon so that the sugar gets dissolved properly in that water. So I mixed it. So now it has risen, the yeast has risen. So it has started bubbling. So at this time I'll be adding a pinch of salt to it. And then I will be adding Italian herbs to it. It is actually optional. You can either add it or it's not a problem if you don't add. And then I'll be adding 1/3 cup of oil to it. Then mixing it. Then I'll be adding 3 cups of whole-purpose flour to it. Then I'll be making the dough. So you can use water or oil for making it more soft. Then the dough is ready. I will grease it with some oil. I'm using olive oil, and then cover it for 30 minutes. So after that it will rise. So I'll cover it. Next I will take 5 tomatoes, 1 medium-sized onion and garlic. So I'll be putting it in the pressure cooker and adding about 1 cup of water to it, and then I'll close it. So now it's cooked properly, and I will take the skin of the tomatoes out. So we don't need the skin, so we'll take it out, and it will be easy to take out. And then I'll place it in the mixer grinder. So I'll add the tomatoes, onions and the garlic, and then I'll add a pinch of salt to it for taste. Then I will take a pan. Then I will be adding the paste which we made into the pan, and then I'll be adding soya sauce, chili sauce, and also some tomato sauce. So I'll add it, and then I'll be mixing it. So the measurements I'll be giving in the description box. So then I'll mix it. So our pizza sauce is ready. It's really looking good, and it's very easy also to make. So these are the toppings which you're going to use: mozzarella cheese, olives, coriander, tomatoes, onions and capsicum, and the pizza sauce. So these are the things. So now our dough has also risen up. So now I'll be greasing the pan with some butter. So I'll grease it. Then I'll add the dough. I'm not adding one full dough. I'm dividing it into 2 pieces and then adding. So I'm making 2 pizzas here. So I spread the dough. Now I'll poke it with a fork. Then I'll be adding the pizza sauce which we made. So add more pizza sauce because it gives taste to the pizza. So I'm adding the pizza sauce. Then I'm adding the toppings. I'm starting with capsicum. So I'll add some capsicum. So you can use capsicum of different colors like red, yellow, orange. These colors you can use. So I'm using here green color. It's all up to you. You can use any color. And then I'll add the onions and olives. Here I'm using the black color olives. You can either use green or black. So I need it a bit more colorful, that is why I used black here. And then I'll add some parsley leaves. So topping always should be colorful. So that is why I'm adding different colored veggies to it. Then I'm adding the mozzarella cheese. So I'm adding here 200 grams of mozzarella cheese. So you can add more than 200 grams also, but 200 grams is enough. So I have already added the mozzarella cheese. Now we can keep it in the oven for 200 degrees and for 20 minutes. So similarly we will make the next pizza. So I'll poke with the fork and then add the pizza sauce. The same process, again I'm repeating it. So I'll add the pizza sauce, spread it well, and then I'll add the toppings starting with capsicum. So in this one I'll be adding more veggies, and then I'll be adding onions. So then the olives, so then the tomatoes. Here I'm using one chopped tomatoes. Then the parsley leaves. So I'll cover it with veggies. It's looking really colorful. Then after that I'll be adding the mozzarella cheese. So here I'm adding 200 grams of mozzarella cheese. So always add more mozzarella cheese. It will make your pizza more cheesy and tasty. So now I'll keep it in the oven. So yeah, our first pizza is really looking pretty and it's ready. And it's really cheesy also, as I'm showing its surface right now. Now the second pizza is also ready. It is also really cheesy. So both our pizzas are perfectly ready right now. So you can see how many veggies I have added and how many cheese I have added, and it's looking really like the restaurant style pizza. Now I'll be cutting it and showing you. So yeah, I'll be taking one piece. Wow, it's really cheesy. So I'll be placing it on a plate. So you can see how thick the crust is and how cheesy the toppings are. So this is the second one. So hope you like this video. So if you like this, please like, subscribe and comment on my channel. So till then, bye.